Hello everybody and welcome back to ViewSonic. I'm Courtney Rogers and today we're going to be talking about the PA504W. The PA504W is designed for both business and home, especially for conference rooms and for classrooms. Let's go ahead and get started. Each projector comes equipped with the power cable as well as the projector remote. Now to unveil the projector. This 4000 MC lumen projector allows for high brightness and extreme contrast with any picture that is coming through it. The high contrast ratio is defined by a Texas Instrument .65 chip that allows for the filter-free and high-definition quality of images to be projected through it. Additionally with that, it has a LAN centralized control management that also works with Crestron products. Keep in mind, you do have the ability to connect with HDMI cables, as well as utilizing that RS-232 for additional plugins. If you have any questions about the PA504W, any of our projectors, or any of our other products, feel free to reach out to us at ViewSonic.com. Thanks so much for watching.